So here today in the high school science fair, we out here doing the Obley experiment with Stanley and Michael. So what is it that you guys are doing here? Well, what are you guys doing?
Stanley?
So what are we doing is, like you said, it's called the Obley experiment. And what you need for this, you need a bowl or anything that a recipient, anything.
Okay.
You need water, and you need corn scratch. And then what you do is like you pour the water into the bowl,
Mm-hmm.
and then you add corn scratch
Little by
little by little until it has a gooey consistency.
Yes, gooey.
Right.
And then, so we're gonna start making it right now, and then we're gonna explain it.
Yeah, we'll explain it. So,
And then we add corn scratch.
yeah, so
Little by little.
A little bit. This is gonna get messy.
But we're professionals though, right?
Yeah,
We're
Yeah.
professionals.
We're very,
So
we've done this plenty. of
believe us,
times,
bro.
you know.
Obviously.
okay, just making sure.
So this ain't, the first time, Alright, so
So it has to have a gooey consistency. Okay, all right.
oh man, you can already see it.
Oh, you see that?
Yeah,
Gooey.
it's already getting gooey, see?
Keep adding more until this gooey.
Just keep adding more.
That should be good. Let's try. Let's try it there. Let's try it there. Let's see. Is it gooey?
The bottom of it is. We may have to have more.
Gooey. Yeah.
Alright, let's just add a little bit more. That's water right there.
So while we do this, can you explain how this works?
So what's supposed to happen is that the liquid, it's when you use more force, it becomes more of a solid. And when you use less force, the particles they expand and it becomes more liquid.
Okay.
So you could like zoom in right now and try to see this. So I'm gonna try and do this, see?
Yeah.
And when you leave it alone,
Yeah, it just comes apart.
it becomes liquid.
Okay.
So go ahead, try it.
Yep.
Yeah. So you could probably add a little bit more. But you could just try and grab a handful. And I'll just do this. It's like Play-Doh, right?
Yeah.
It's like Play-Doh, it's solid.
It's
It's
like
like Play-Doh.
spoiled milk.
Pretty much.
Like he said, what happens is that
Leave it
depending on
alone.
the pressure you put, the particles act differently. So
See?
the more the pressure, the particles add together. They bond together and they create a solid. Or it acts as a solid.
Right.
Then if you don't put any pressure, they don't bond together and it acts as a liquid.
So here we have Maricel and Diana doing an experiment, which we can see right here what their materials are. Can you tell me what this experiment is?
So we are burning steel wool. This is like, it will create a combustion. Combustion is a chemical reaction that when we combine substances with oxygen, it creates oxides, light, and heat.
Yeah. So the materials that we'll be using are the only two actually, both batteries, and also we're gonna use a steel wool, but the extra fine, and actually 4 aluminum 13s and the 2 fold sheets. Yes. So actually we have to lubricate the.
Yeah, so first we want to create a barrier,
Yeah.
an air barrier. So in order to do that, we will place the 4 tartines on the edges of the first sheet.
Yeah, and also we're gonna put another sheet in
Then
there.
we're gonna put the other one on top.
Okay.
And after we are done,
We are gonna take our steel
it's like
wool.
a little kitchen.
You have to be careful because we are dealing with fire.
Actually, in a fire, but you know the combustion.
It's combustion.
We need to turn off the lights.
Yeah, we're gonna turn off the lights, but first let's place this, and then we're gonna turn off the lights for you guys to notice or see clearly what happens with the steel wool. You have the light?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Turn one, and we have to touch the steel wool with the battery, and you will see what happens.
You cannot touch the steel wool while you're doing this.
Because it gets very, very hot. As you can see, when you touch the steel wool with the 9-volt battery, the steel wool will glow and spark as quickly as it combusts. So this, what you're seeing now is combustion.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, sure.
Also, you have to know that from the batteries there is coming some electrons that out, and that's why it creates the combustion. And this is a circle that comes out and comes in from the steel wool.
Oh, it's cool.
Also, if you weight the steel wool before and after the combustion, it will weight more after the combustion finishes.
Yes.
So that's pretty much it.
Good morning, class. So here we're doing the elephant toothpaste experiment. What we're basically demonstrating here is the breaking up of molecules. And a smart way of saying that would be the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, which is H2O2. So we're getting rid of an oxygen. And the materials we need are 20 volume hydrogen peroxide that we have right here, some soap,
A cup,
food coloring,
16-ounce bottle.
and some yeast. If you want to get crazy, you can use potassium iodide, but that's for the big boys. So first we start off with
A little bit of dish soap.
so
Perfect.
a little bit more. Next we'll be adding food coloring.
Use this.
So the reason why we use the dish soap is because the soap, the suds, will contain the oxygen that is being released. So now we will be mixing the yeast with the warm water.
Don't use a finger brush.
Gotta mix it for 30 seconds. Once that's done, we're gonna pour this into the bottle and
Is the peroxide already there?
I
No.
have to pour that into.
That's the.
So we need to pour in 4 fluid ounces. This is a 20 volume, so that should be like a 6% solution. A little bit more. Alright, that should be fine. Goggles for safety. That's anticlimactic. What are you looking for? As you can see, the yeast sped up the chemical process.